Hi there, students. To mooch, a verb. I guess you could have a moocher, a person who mooches. Now, this verb's interesting because I think we've got a bit of an American-British divide with the meaning of this. To me, in British English, to mooch means to walk around slowly doing things a bit aimlessly without purpose. Yeah, you're bored and you just don't know what to do, so you mooch around. Stop mooching around in your room and do something useful. Stop mooching on the sofa and go out and get yourself a job. Yeah, so to mooch, to be apathetic, yeah, not to have any real purpose about what you're doing. Now, I think the Americans use this verb mooch more to mean to get things from somebody else, to live off the generosity of others, to get stuff from them without any intention to pay for them or return them. So he's 22 years old and he's still mooching off his family. Yeah, he's can I borrow 20 quid? And he's using their electricity and he's not going to get a job. Yeah? There's always some guy in the bar who's trying to mooch a beer or two from you. Could I mooch a cigarette from you? Yeah, to cadge, to sponge, yeah, to mooch, so to obtain by begging or by asking. Also, you could probably use to mooch as well, meaning to steal, yeah, to pinch. But I think it's more common to use mooch, meaning, yeah, to rely on the generosity of others, to live off other people's generosity. Yeah, to beg, cadge, sponge, or take advantage of others for your personal gain. I think maybe the steal meaning is probably more British as well. So, to mooch around, to wander aimlessly, probably irritating everybody, getting in the way, and not really doing anything. Or then to sponge or to cadge something, to get money or things that you need. Can I mooch a cigarette off you? Getting things you need with no intention of paying for them. And then another British meaning as well, to steal. Yeah, somebody's mooched my bicycle. I wish I knew who'd done it. I'd whack them one. So it's not good mooching off your friends. Yeah, he spends his life mooching about, mooching around the shops, and then maybe he mooches something that interests him with a 5-finger discount. Yeah, he spends too much time mooching around the house. The kids have no entertainment round here, so they just mooch around in the park at night. Yeah, and she's always mooching off her friends, to mooch off somebody, to mooch something off somebody, to sponge, to cadge. Go on, lend us a couple of quid, would you? Give us a couple of quid. Go on, buy us a drink. Yeah, this is to mooch. And let's see, how formal is this? This is an informal phrase. Let's see, I would probably give it a 4 in formality. I think you might just use this to mooch about in a semi-formal writing, but to wander about. And then to mooch something off somebody, 4 in formality again. Yeah, to take advantage of someone's generosity more formally. And then to steal, 4 or even 3 in formality. Okay, as to origin, well, it comes from an old French word, mouchier or mousser, meaning to skulk or to hide or conceal, which itself comes from a Proto-Germanic word, mukiana or mukona, meaning to hide or to ambush. Okay, so remember this is an informal word. So to mooch, to wander around aimlessly doing nothing, or to steal, or to beg, cadge or sponge something off someone else with no intention of paying them back. Okay, so to mooch. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mooch.